Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will talking about FTX cryptocurrency. FTX it's losing and it's crypto fraud. Look, it's news about FTX. FTX is down now, and every day I will tell you cryptocurrency is just an investment. It's not a project, or it's not a business, solid business. Cryptocurrency just investment. If you have money, don't put all your money in cryptocurrency. Just investment like 1% or 5% in your money. Invest them in cryptocurrency. uh, in this video, look, it's all man talking about FTX, and where Binance and FTX, and where are going cryptocurrency FTT. Look, all news it's about FTX crypto. It's crashed to zero. Look, all man talking about hacked FTX hacked platform, and his boss taken in the prison. It's Binance. Look, crypto news. And if you want to Solana or any crypto, don't make your money, all your money in cryptocurrency. I advise you to make like e-commerce, dropshipping, or a solid business, or a really projects. Don't make cryptocurrency like a project, or like look, a massive crypto crash explained FTX with Binance. It's cryptocurrency. Some bankman afraid caught by authority while trying to flee to Dubai. Look, it's all news talking about boss of FTT or FTX, and just this video to tell you, don't make your money in cryptocurrency, because it's not stable. It's not stable. It's good, it's the future. The future, it's crypto, but don't make your money, all your money, what you have in cryptocurrency. Make a lot of source income, like e-commerce, like blogging, any business online, and design, or make projects, a lot of projects, but don't make all your money in crypto. Thank you for watching, and like to this video, just to advise you to don't lose your money in in this shit. Thank you for much.